Okay, now we will start with the second one. What is the second one? The species diversification. Species diversification. What is this species diversification? That means in this case, we will see there is a lot of species difference are there. Species are different. Species are different. Now, how we explain over here, as we can see, let us take certain species, and we have seen already the insect species are more, right? Insects are much more. Even in case of the this vertebrates, we have seen the fishes are having a lot of species. Now let us take an example of amphibians, because this is actually included in your syllabus and included in your book also, that amphibians are actually found in India, we know. Okay, so these are amphibians. There are lots of amphibians which are there. There are lots of amphibians which are mainly found in India. So we know that lots of example, but if I ask you to write the names of amphibians, you will not be able to write more than five, that I know already. If I ask you just now, kindly write down five amphibians, the amphibians, how many you know, you will not be able to write more than five. But there are many varieties or the species of amphibians. What is been seen, what is been studied actually, if you take the example of western, according to the area, okay, of India, that is according to the region, Western Ghats, I think so you all know this, Western Ghats and Eastern Ghat. Which part is of India is called as a Western Ghat, and which part of India is known as the Eastern Ghat? I think so you all know that. It is seen that the amphibians varieties, or the species varieties rather, is found more in Western Ghat than the Eastern Ghat. So the species of amphibians are quite less in the Eastern Ghat. That means what? More species of amphibians we see in the Western Ghat. This we call as, if it is found more, if it is found more, then we can say this one as the Western Ghats is actually rich in species. Okay, or we say this one as a species. There are certain terminologies which we use over here. Species richness, species richness, or we can say species diversity, is found in amphibians in the Western Ghat side. Whereas if you talk about the Eastern Ghat side, this is species, it is not so much. Okay, that means species, less species are there. In this case, it is less. Okay, no richness is found in species. So we can say over here, no richness is found in among the species in the Eastern Ghat. No richness is found. So that means this actually clarifies us that number of individuals in a different species also varies. Hope I am very much clear with you all. Number of individuals, like suppose if you say that, for example, I will make it more clear. If I write over here, for example, suppose 100 species are found in case of Western Ghat, 100 species of amphibians, 100 species of amphibians are found in the Western Ghats, and in the Eastern Ghats at the same time maybe 70 species are found. 70 different species are found among the amphibians in the eastern region, right? That means over here, among these 100 species, you can say each and every species also there are more in number. Each species are again more in number. If you talk about the first species, that can be many more in number. So this is actually creating more diversification. Okay, so number of individuals in a different species also varies. That is very important over here. So communities have the species of different sizes. It shows evenness, and more abundant species are also present. Suppose in this particular 100 species, a particular kind of we can say frog, a particular kind of frog which we call as an amphibian, okay, a particular kind of frog is found much more, then we can say this frog as a dominant species. Among these 100 species, maybe one species can be found more in number among their own individuals, so then we can say this one as a dominant species. So this is again, it is a diversification. So that means an ecosystem with individual from the taxonomically unrelated species is more diverse, right? So this is actually creates a lot of different species, and this is a species richness which we actually found in our India. So this is what we call as a species diversification.